Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to do a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for November. Yes, I am behind. I should have opened this one last month. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing the Spinnaker Rec. This was also in the video of my Watch of the Day shorts, which I hope you guys have been enjoying. My Watch of the Day, Watch of the Night. They're just short 20-30 second clips of what I've got on for the day, and I think it's a cool way for us to interact a little bit more. I get to hear what watches you guys are wearing, and you get to see more of my collection. Because I've had 0 repeats so far on my Watch of the Day, Watch of the Night, and I have a bunch more watches to go. Also, guys, if you're looking to save a little bit of money, we have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're looking to sign up for watchgang, you can click my link below. It'll get you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points. Helps keeps the channel going. And if you're into old cars, make sure you take a look at my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always working on some old cars, trying to keep them on the road. And what we have this month looks like we have a Blackwell. Now, if you're not familiar with watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. There are different tier levels starting at I believe they raised it to $50 for the original tier, $99 for the black tier, and $2.99 for the platinum tier. The only tier I still subscribe to is actually the black tier level. I've had a lot of fun at that $99 tier level and gotten some pieces that I really enjoy. Now, I've had some pieces by Blackwell in the past. You can see the MSRP on that one is $230. There's the SKU number of BW-HY10001-B. Like that brown leather. I almost would prefer it on black. Black goes a little bit more with everything, but then I say that and I'm wearing some crazy green leather right now. Let's go ahead and pull this one off the pillow really quick. Take a look at the back. Stainless steel, 100-meter water resistant. Hudson Yard. Japan movement. Got quick release on the straps, which is nice. So me complaining about the straps, they might be easy to change out. Pretty cool little bit of dome on that crystal. I like the way it looks. Let's go ahead and pull off my current watch of the day. Throw this Blackwell on really quick so you can see how it fits my roughly 7-inch wrist. Alright. So I've definitely got some space if I had a larger wrist. Not a huge watch, but fits my 7-inch wrist pretty nicely. I actually like the look of this one. This one might get some, might actually get some wrist time. Maybe you'll see it in one of my Watch of the Day, Watch of the Nights. And hopefully you'll see me do an actual follow-up review on this one. Not too bad of a piece from Blackwell. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.